I can't film in there. This is mother rainbow. Like, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Subscribe to my channel, point blank, period, all that good shit. I'm actually out because I'm gonna be going to the B2K concert this weekend. I'm about to go thrifting. I don't really have anything to wear. I mean, I have an idea what I want to wear, but not really. Just pulled up at Goodwill. You guys like this hair? So we're gonna figure out a name for her. I don't know what her name should be. What should her name be? Comment down below. I only wear HunnyBun hair, so if you want to purchase some of their Russian blonde bundles, this is 3 bundles and a closure. I will leave a link down in the description box so that you guys can purchase. Use code TANDYCOLLADA10 and save some coins, sis. Help me help you. Let's go inside Goodwill and see what we can find. So I am now leaving Goodwill. I found a pair of jeans that I thought might be like a vibe. I just didn't really like the fit of them. I think I have some dark wash flare leg jeans from, oh, they have really good jeans for tall people. Who am I thinking of? New York & Company. New York & Company makes really good jeans for those who are, you know, a little bit on the taller side, like your girl. I think I'm gonna go to Rainbow next because usually you can find like some really cute basic tops at Rainbow. Maybe I'm thinking like maybe a crop top. I don't know. Let's see what we can find because we still don't even know like what we're wearing to this freaking concert, and it's literally in like 6 days. Just stay on the journey with me, guys. Bear with me. So I'm leaving freaking Rainbow, and they didn't even want me to record in there, so that's why we didn't really get much footage. I didn't really find anything. I did kind of find like this cute kind of Fila vibe. I'll insert a clip of me in the dressing room trying it on, but it had a stain on it and I just can't, like, I don't want to be that, you know what I mean? So maybe I'll try like another Rainbow because that was a really cute outfit. I mean, for 20 bucks, like, you cannot go wrong with that outfit. I'm over here talking to my sister. She doesn't really care. She's pregnant and she's like miserable because it's hot. It was so freaking hot in there. Wasn't it hot in there? Hot as hell. And they had another talk about you can't record. That's why we can't record. Ridiculous circumstances. Like, that's crazy. I can't film in there. This is mother Rainbow. This is why you can't shop at ghetto ratchet places like Rainbow, because
they're haters.
Yeah, they don't even want me to be great, sis. Like, let me be great. I'm trying. Help me help you. Right. Okay, so I just pulled up at another Rainbow. I'm about to go in here. I'm gonna try to film on the low, you know. Yeah, we'll see. There's a City Trends across the street, so I might go there too. Well, I didn't really find the pants that I was looking for. However, I did find a similar pair of pants that I think I can kind of like, you know, make it work. I'm gonna go home though because people are starting to stare at me now, and I know this is kind of awkward. I have on the outfit. Tall girl problems right now because these are like super duper short, but they're not like terribly short because as a tall girl, like, I've seen shorter. These pants were $7, like $7 freaking dollars. Oh my gosh. The top was I think it was like $5.99. So for less than $15, I definitely walked out of there with a whole freaking outfit. I'll probably throw some casual sneakers on this look. So yeah, let's fast forward to Saturday. Here we are, and of course I'm in my car. What's new? I am actually just now getting off of work, and I am, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. I'm about to run home, take a quick shower, freshen up my makeup, and yeah, get some pre-game shenanigans going on. I'm gonna check back in with you guys once I sit down and actually get started on my whole outfit, makeup, hair, all of that. I don't know if I want to keep blonde tonight, like, because the unit is already on, so I feel like I should just stick with it, because if I go switching my hair unit now, like, I'm not gonna be on time for anything. I think we're supposed to be meeting at like 6 o'clock, and it's 5 o'clock now, and 5 o'clock traffic, I have to drive all the way downtown. Yeah, we're not switching any units today. Okay, you guys, so I am in my studio right now. I just finished touching up a few of my oily areas, and all I did was I just used this brush that I got in my BoxyCharm box. Brush is really good for powders. One of those motor brushes that I talked about in my last video. I've just been dipping it into my powder, going like this, just to kind of get rid of any of that excess oil. I talked about this on my Instagram story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're slipping, sis. This is by Chanel, by the way. And I'm just going to touch up my highlighted areas. Do you guys see that? Like, that is insane. This is the Illusion d'Ombre, and this is in the shade Convoitise. I'll leave it on the screen because I have no idea how to pronounce these French words. And of course, I'm running late. It's 10 minutes to 6. And there, I am a highlighted god. Now for my lip, I'm actually gonna go hella old school right now. Where my Chanel lipstick is, it's probably in my work bag somewhere. But okay, so I'm gonna take this matte lipstick. Looks like this. You see that look? Here is the fit. I know y'all didn't see it with the sneakers. So here we are. I am waiting on my Lyft ride, but first step is of course to pregame a little bit. And I just got some Tito's. Not driving tonight. Drink responsibly. Cheers. I made it to the rendezvous, so to speak. Got my red cup. You already know. Gotta get the pictures in. They gotta get your braids because she wear her little butterfly clips. Like, hello. Yes, and she is serving skin. Yes, you see that glow?
Point. This is what you call a natural. I have nothing on but some always primping lip gloss.
You already know.
The one, the only.
Oh God.
Treasure. Move VIP-ish.
Y'all got VIP.
Yeah.
We just got here. And apparently we missed Chingy. It was right there and we missed it. Now we're going up to the suites. It's enough of y'all. I'm
It's been 15 years.
Stay ready.
Okay.
My heart.
Let's have a little show.
Oh my God. Have fun?
I mean, we stop
All day, every day.
Wait a minute. We gotta wait for home.
Wait, we waiting?
The homeowner? Yes, because I don't know which direction we're walking.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Work something for real. Guys, I literally just got home. It is, my watch is dead. I have no idea what time it is. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you are notified of my future uploads. Yeah, till next time.